lesson. Today friends, I will tell you how to grow papaya plants directly from the seeds, and this is the best technique I tell you. You want to grow the papaya, this is a fresh papaya, and so all are indigenous desi variety papaya you can take and just cut it into two halves. Just see how I am collecting the seeds from here. Very few seeds are here. This is the best quality of papaya, and now I am growing it directly and take soil mix around 50% garden soil and 50% compost. Here I am taking here and growing in each small pot, 2-inch pot. I will be growing one seed each in small pot, and the rest of the seeds I will grow in some tray. So this is the procedure here. Just see how I am doing and just follow the procedure, and you can grow papaya of your own and grow papaya very fresh seeds. So these are the seeds I am growing. Now I am putting in some trays here. So what next to do is to cover it with soil mix, same soil mix, around half centimeter of layer. Just cover the seeds. So next what to do is to water them. And keep them under semi-shade area for around 10 days, and all the seeds will germinate. And after the germination of procedures, I will show you how to transplant it, how to do it, next thing. Just keep watching. I am showing you the details of how to grow the papaya from the seeds. From the fresh papaya, take fresh papaya and beautiful good quality of papaya, sweet papaya. Then only you collect the seeds directly from the papaya and then you grow directly. So this is the method. Keep watching and giving you the details after a few weeks. Just keep on watching. Thank you. Welcome back friends. After 40 days, 1 month, 10 days before, we have sowed the seeds of the papaya. That's a big size papaya, and now I am showing you the reals. These are the reals where I sowed around 15 seeds we have sowed here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plants are grown here, and many of the seeds have grown in small pots, but unfortunately they kept in outside, and for heavy shower, heavy rain for consecutive 3 or 4 days, and all seeds have rotten here. So only that seeds have grown here. This is in the trays here, and now I am transplanting the seeds here, and the soil mix I am showing you: 20% vermicompost, 20% coco peat, and 60% garden soil. So just filling small amount of soil mix. Now see how I am pulling out the plants from at the base. So pull out the total soil mix and seed here. And I will grow it around 1 month here, and after 1 month I will transplant in garden. So in my garden I will transplant this plant, and hope I will bring you some video on how to grow the fruits here, and I hope that within 8 months they will fruit, and I will show you the fruiting conditions also, how they are fruiting in 8 months area time. So this is all after planting it. Water them and keep them under semi-shade area for around 10 days, and after 10 days I will take it out in the open sunlight and I will let them grow for 1 month, and after 1 month I will transplant in my garden and show you the results. For after 8 months I will show you the how fruiting is done. And many of the viewers and subscribers ask me what is the best fruiting varieties of this papaya. I tell you the best variety so far I know is the best variety is Taiwan 786 red lady variety. If you buy seeds, you buy Taiwan 786 variety. That will be nice for your grown, for best quality of fruits, best quality of variety and best productions also for papaya. So